I don't know if many people remember, but middle school is one of those times that you really need to be seen and you need to feel like you belong. We try to provide as many opportunities as we can for students to get to not only be seen themselves, but to get to know each other.
Something that surprised me coming to prep that I thought was different was, I feel like the community. I just feel like we're all very connected.
You know, I think like the strongest thing is the shared experience. All of these kids coming together and going through being new students in a new place.
This may be a little scary coming into middle school, but you can always find people that enjoy the same things as you and that people you can just really bond with for the rest of your time at prep.
We create a sense of belonging for our new students by taking time to get to know them both inside and out of the classroom. Sometimes we see our students' truest selves in things like house games, in class trips, bus rides, field trips, clubs, sporting fields. Through all of that, we get to see them through their best and their worst, and we get to see them for who they are.
7th grade is such an exciting time. People are starting to really kind of figure out who they are, and yet there's still courage, willingness to try new things, still figuring things out. It's a time when you have some of the benefits of being more grown up, but then also still some of the freedoms of childhood, where you can try choir or a different sport. You can just try it.
There is nothing more enthusiastic than like a really enthusiastic 7th grader. So it's my job to kind of pull that out of them, to kind of find that spark of interest and turn it into like genuine excitement about learning.
Somewhere deep inside me is still a very curious, excited, joyful 7th grader that I remember and I, connect every day with these kids.
When students enter 7th grade, we really try to enforce that learning is a part of life, and if we can help them be lifelong learners, then we are equipping them for the future that we honestly don't know what is ahead. And so instead of equipping them for something, we're equipping them for everything and anything.
We do find that we get 7th graders coming into prep who have a variety of different math backgrounds, math experiences, and we really work to tailor that initial course as an opportunity for them to really integrate themselves into our community.
I like how at prep you might be in a lower math class at the beginning of 7th grade, but I've met people who have even moved up in math and other classes because they've discovered that there's so much growth that can be made during middle school and high school that you never really know what your potential could be in school.
While we have a lot of fun, there are always going to be challenges. And so if we can find a way to balance the fun with challenge, we can equip our students with the skills necessary to work through those challenges, because there is no growth without challenge. Helping them understand that if something is a little hard, that's actually really great, because that means that you're going to grow from this. So having fun while leaning into challenge is kind of a common theme in the middle school.
I've had a number of students who, when they hear that they are going to have to write a 750-word essay, get very big eyes and sort of petrified expressions on their faces. It's been wonderful to see year after year that all the 7th graders are able to do this, and to accomplish a piece of writing like that at the very beginning of their 7th grade year, I think just sets them up for a lot of success, and I think helps them feel confident that they can write sentence by sentence by sentence and get to 750 words. It just feels great to them.
Taking on a healthy challenge as a 7th grader is something that you could do, and it's just a tiny bit out of your grasp, and you have to reach for it.
What is success? To me, success is togetherness. To me, success is trying your best, overcoming our own obstacles, whatever those might be, emerging triumphant in whatever the struggle is. And so success is a pretty personal thing. How I would define success is being on our path to becoming who we're destined to become.
Middle school is a dynamic time in any person's life. We are here to help our students navigate these 2 years so that when they leave middle school, they feel empowered, they feel prepared and they feel confident.